How to replace the handlebar grip. This is the list of tool preparation. Firstly, we will remove the handlebar grips. We use the torque 20 bit to remove the screw, which is fixed the handlebar grips. Take out the handlebar and cap. And we will use the handlebar removal tooling to remove the handlebar grips. Next, we will install the handlebar grips. Pay attention to the alignment of limiter hole. Install handlebar grip and handlebar end cap. Pay attention to the alignment of limiter hole. Fasten the screw with torque 20, and the range of torque is from 1.8 to 2.2. Last step is the detection. Turn the bell or the electric throttle to confirm that if there is any problem with the operation.